I'll be right back.
Okay.
046.
Good evening. I'm Deputy Hackler with Arapahoe County Sheriff's Office. I was pulling you over as you were going a little fast down there on Arapahoe Road. It's 45 and you're going way fast.
Okay.
Do you know how fast you were going?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions?
No. Here's my registration, license, and I'm pulling up my insurance right now. For
Okay, perfect.
1 second.
Well, I had to do 103 to catch up to you from Piccadilly and all the way up to Buckley's before I even caught up to you.
Did you clock me on radar? Or?
No.
Oh, so you didn't clock me?
No.
You just caught up to me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I understand.
Visually, I estimated your speed around like 65. Okay.
It's not my car.
It's not your car? Can you pull that up again?
Yep.
Who's,
I don't answer questions.
Okay.
Is that without insurance good?
Huh? Can you pull it up again? Alright, I'll be right back. This guy doesn't answer questions.
At all?
Well, that's what he says. I asked him if he knew how fast he was going because I had to do over 100 to catch up to him. And he says, I don't answer questions.
Hmm. Well, that's nice.
Mm-hmm. And then he's driving a car that's not his. And I asked him who this person is, and he says, I don't answer questions.
This could get interesting.
Mm-hmm. What's up, dude? All I was doing is flying past. I was heading eastbound. He was heading westbound. Flipped around, and I was almost to Liverpool, like Piccadilly area. So I turn around, try to catch up to him. I'm like doing like 106, trying to catch up to him. I don't catch up to him until like Buckley, and he's like weaving around traffic and shit.
Oh shit.
So I'm getting for speeding and reckless. He doesn't answer questions, by the way.
What?
He doesn't answer questions. He's driving somebody else's car, but he won't tell me who that person is. They're recording on their cell phones right now.
Huh?
They're recording on their cell phones right now. So you know.
Which one, the driver?
Huh?
Which one's recording?
The one in the passenger seat. Here's your documents back.
Okay.
Alright, like I said, I visually estimated you at 65 and a 45.
You visually estimated me?
Yeah, when I was going westbound, or eastbound. You were going westbound. You flew past me.
And you didn't clock me with any sort of radar
No,
or any sort of
it was
equipment?
visual, but you were definitely going
When is
too
the last
fast.
time that your eyes have been calibrated?
It doesn't matter
Bullshit.
about my eyes.
Okay.
I've been trained.
You've
to
been trained?
Yeah.
Okay.
To visually estimate.
I'm gonna go to court for this.
That's fine.
I'll fight it.
So I'm citing you for speeding 20 plus in a 45.
Okay.
Okay, and reckless driving because there was other cars that you're driving past, weaving in and around traffic.
Weaving in and around the traffic.
Yep.
Okay. I have a dash cam, by the way.
That's fine.
That records my speed.
So you should have seen that other car that you cut off right before you went to the light when I
I had
finally
a
caught up to
blinker
you.
on. I didn't cut them off. I had plenty of space.
Okay, that's fine. Either way, your court date is going to be Monday, October 7th, 2024
Make
at
sure
2
you're there.
p.m. I will be there.
For sure.
Arapahoe County Combined Court. It's down there. There's the address right there. All right. I just need a signature from you right here saying that you'll show up to court.
Not an admission of guilt?
Nope.
No problem. Right here?
Yep.
There's my signature autograph. There
Perfect. Here's your citation.
You go. No problem. And
Drive
can I get
safe.
your business card?
My name's on there.
I can't get your business card. Can I get yours, sir?
Drive safe.
Can I get your business card?
All my information is on my.
I want your business card. It's professional for you to just give me your business card. Is that too much to ask for? The stop's over, so can I just get your business card? That's all I want.
Why are you getting out of your vehicle right now?
Huh? I didn't hear what you said.
You need to step back in your vehicle.
The traffic stop's over.
Correct.
So can I get your business card?
And you're over here with a firearm flashing right at me.
I'm open
Get
carry.
back in.
Is open carry illegal? It's not.
Get back in your car.
Or else what?
Have a good day.
I need your business card.
My information is on the citation that I
need your
gave you.
business card. Because I'm going to request all this, the video evidence for your body cams, and I want to forward request all this information.
Okay. You can get all that.
My lawyer, I want your business card. Hey, there you go. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a nice day. I appreciate it. That's all you had to do. Can I get yours?
Literally, all his badge
No,
number.
I understand that, but I like the business card just so I can give it to my lawyer. It's not the first time I've been through this. Don't be scared of firearms, bro. It's the Second Amendment.
I'm not afraid of firearms.
I see your memorial band.
Yeah.
Marine Corps.
Marine Corps.
Thank you for your service. That's all you had to do.
Okay. Have a good day. Drive safe.
Traffic stop's over. I'm free to go, right?
Go. Yeah. Go. Charlie 71, clear traffic.
One's an emergency for 5.
Clear contact.